Er der liv på nogle af de eksoplaneter, som kredser om fjerne stjerner uden for vores solsystem? Det skal rumteleskopet Cheops hjælpe os med at finde ud af, når det imellem midten af oktober og midten af november 2019 bliver sendt op i rummet fra den europæiske rumhavn i Fransk Guyana.
We're looking ultimately for life on other planets, and Earth-like planets are where we're likely to find life.
Cheops skal altså finde ud af, om eksoplaneter, der minder om Jorden, rummer forudsætningerne for liv. Det skal den gøre ved at måle planeternes præcise størrelse.
The point is, what we want to do is to measure the mean or bulk density of these planets, and for that we need to measure the mass, which we will do from ground-based telescopes, and then also measure very precisely their sizes. So if we have a high density, planet with a high density, then it needs to have some high density material in it. Rocky, sort of rocky core, maybe some iron, some silicates. If it's more fluffy, a lower density planet, then it's gaseous. And so we can say something about the inner structure of the planet.
For at måle en eksoplanets størrelse, observerer Cheops planeterne, når de bevæger sig ind foran deres stjerne.
What we do is to observe, and what we do is we look for the small dip in the light that we measure from the star as the planet moves across the disk of the star, as seen by you, the telescope. So the bigger the size of the planet, the more of the star that is obscured by the planet, and so the bigger the dip that we measure.
How do you feel about the launch date coming up pretty soon?
Oh, it's fantastic. I'm really excited. It's been very interesting to work from the paper phases where we've been defining the mission, the requirements and what we need, going through the design phase, sort of coming up with the design of the instrument, the satellite, the operations, and then going through testing and preparations for launch. But as soon as that's finished, the nervous minutes that we have waiting for the successful launch, then I will celebrate for sure with a glass of champagne and colleagues.
What do you think the chances are of finding signs of life on our exoplanets?
In general, it's an interesting question. I think ultimately I would say there's a good chance. Cheops won't do it, but Cheops is a step towards that question. Is there life on other planets?